Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sharir in my major in Nautical Level 2.
Good evening, how may I help you?
How you got any rooms?
Yes, single, double or twin.
Single please.
Would you like a room, a shower or a bed?
Just a shower will do.
Room 319, there'll be 600,000 a night including breakfast. How long will you staying?
Just a couple of nights. What time is the breakfast served?
Breakfast is 7 to 9.
Good evening, how might I help you?
Have you got any rooms?
Yes, single, double or twin.
Single please.
Will you like room with shower bed?
Just a shower will do.
Room 319 there'll be 600,000 rupiah a night, including breakfast. How long will you be staying?
Just a couple of nights. What time the breakfast serve?
Breakfast is room 7 to 19.